Hey guys, welcome back to Manifest Destinies by Tom and Kelly. This is Tom, of course. Today, I'm going to show you what we manifested and what there is. We manifested a used RV. It's in great shape. It's got little issues with it. It's a 2002 model, so it's got some things that need to be worked on, but we got it for a great price. So hang on a second and give you a tour of what we've got. All right. What we've got is a 2002 Winnebago Chalet. It's 31 foot. Got the V10 6.8 liter Triton engine in it. About 68,000 miles, I believe, total. It's got a few issues. The stickers are faded. The outside is going to need some sealing, and you're going to need a new awning. Some of the paint touched up. Probably touch up the stickers. About that. But all in all, it's in good shape. I've already cleaned the roof. I'll show you later what I used to clean the roof and seal it with. But let's go inside and I'll show you around. All right. Of course, we got the microwave, stove, everything when you first come in. When we bought it, they had some kind of sticks, like yardsticks actually, painted different colors, glued up for background on the wall there. So we removed those. We're looking at the seat covers here, doing something with those. We haven't looked at to see what it looks like inside the seat covers. Of course, over the cab, seats are in pretty good condition. We don't really have to do much in here. A little vacuumy, but we got it for a great price. We'd like to swap out this couch, of course. Got a few things we needed to. I think we're going to keep the cabinets, the oak finish. I like the wood tones. We both agreed on that. Of course, we got the Norcold refrigerator. Probably need to touch up a little bit here and there as far as where some of the sticks were taken off. All the appliances work. Shower, it's kind of a golden color, so I'm probably going to refinish that. reseal it, refinish it. Bathroom's in great shape. No issues there. Bedroom's in great shape. Did come with TVs, which made it nice. Of course, we're going to change the mattress out. I did make these covers for the front and back out of some foam to fit up in the skylight here. Really easy to do. But this is just to give you an idea of some of the stuff that I'm going to be working on. We're debating on whether to change out the flooring or not. But we want to totally revamp it, remodel it. I think we've got our work cut out for us. Probably coat over the sink. Same thing with the table. We'll probably refinish those. So I've got a few projects. Rims could use a new coating. Got some rust here and there. Plan on fixing that up. Pieces like this where somebody's broken out. Where it goes in. Of course, the rims. All in all, it's in great shape. No leaks from the roof. I'm going to be mounting solar. Installing solar, which will probably end up being inside the cab, inside the base. So that's what we have right now. Thank you.